Hey, what's up guys? So I got this puzzle right here, what looks like to be a Rubik's Cube, but it's a twisted Rubik's Cube. Yeah, it's a little bit more challenging. So as you can see, it's kind of like having a normal Rubik's Cube, like this, for example, and it would just be kind of like turned in a way, kind of like that, so sort of thing. Yeah. So basically, this is no longer an edge piece. This is actually a centerpiece that has two colors in it, and this is now an edge piece, a one-colored edge piece. So, yeah. That's what makes it a little bit more challenging, and also there's two more other things that may happen here, like one or two things that may happen here that does not happen on a regular Rubik's Cube. So I actually wanted to show you two ways of solving this cube, and I'm probably gonna do a two-part of this video. Just gonna show you of me solving it in the normal way, like usual, like from the flat surface, and just going. I'm just gonna solve it the beginner's method, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So yeah, so let's scramble this up and let's get to it. Alright, looks a little bit messed up there, a little bit. Alright, looks like it's messed up, so let's get to it. So I'm gonna do the white cross here. So let's see here. Now, first of all, well, you not only have to do not just the cross, but also match up with the centerpieces here. So it has to be kind of like also match up with the center, same color with the centerpieces, like so, kind of thing. So I'm just gonna try to solve it here. This goes over here, and let's see here. Oh yes, so right, so yeah, this is not quite right, so you can't have it like this. So and also it's not quite matching up with, it matches with color, but not quite like so. So I'm just gonna have to not only match it up to here, but also twist it in a way so that it matches it, has to match it like with the form or whatever. That's also not quite right. Well, okay, I'm just gonna solve it. Try to solve it, and then I'm just gonna see how I'm doing. So let's see here. I'm gonna have to redo this thing here. Okay, so there you go. So I just solved the cross, but also has matched up with the orange, and the orange also matches up with the centers, and there's the green, and the green like that, and the red to red, and with white and blue like that. So everything seems to be correct. So now I'm gonna do the corners. Alright, so there you go. I solved the top side, so now I'm gonna do the centers. Oh, there's one already solved. That's yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna solve the rest of the edge pieces now. Just like a normal Rubik's Cube. There you go. I got the center, the edges solved now. I meant the and this time I did not get the flip thing. That normally there's this flip thing that happens on this cube that does not happen on a 3x3, and basically you would just do like in the beginner's method. You would just put this cube over here or over here, and then just and then just rotate it to the rotate one of these to the right place, so that you can take that out here. If that makes any sense, but yeah, if you know what I mean. But but right now I don't have that, so I didn't need to do that. So I just got this L right here, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. So there you go. I got the cross here, and let's see here. I'm just gonna do this real quick. Let's see. Yeah. And I got last for the the for move thing. And there you go. I solved it. Yeah, I was just but yeah, I got it solved. So there's just two things that didn't happen on this particular solve. The centers weren't flipped. The like this, which usually sometimes happens. Which I would have to do it like somehow like this. Like that, like this happens. But then I would have to do that again. Like so. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. Solved it, and I'm gonna do now I'm gonna do the second part of this video, where I'm going to try to solve it from this side of the cube, which is gonna be pretty interesting, and see if I'll be able to solve it. All of it, yeah. It's gonna be quite as challenging. I have solved it before in this way. It's just there's this the one thing I don't know how to do is flipping this in a way, like not what I showed you previously, like this, but this thing sometimes gets like flipped in a way like this. Like everything, the whole cube is solved. It's just the centerpiece that kind of goes in a way like so, and that I don't know how to flip it in a way. Not really sure what the algorithm for that one is. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, but that's that. If I come across from what I mean, what I meant of that, I'll show you what I mean. What if I come across that what I was saying. But yeah, so yeah, so this is the end of this video of solving it the normal way, and I'm going to do the second part of this video, try to solve it in this way.